Welcome back to A320 Knowledge, your trusted source for Airbus expertise. Today, we're diving into the heart of the electrical system, the generators. The generators keep all the electrical systems powered by converting mechanical energy into usable electrical energy. Each generator is able to supply the entire electrical system. The main engine-driven generators, EDGs, and the constant speed drive, CSD, are housed together in the integrated drive generator, IDG. The constant speed drive converts a variable engine N% into a steady speed of 12,000 RPM. The EDGs directly tap into the rotational energy of the engines, efficiently converting it into electrical power through the principles of electromagnetism. The engine generators and the emergency generator are controlled by their own generator control units, GCUs. The APU and external power are controlled by a GAPCU, Generator and Auxiliary Power Control Unit. The APU generator control is also achieved via the Electronic Control Box, ECB. The generators are never connected in parallel. They are split in series and given priority logic. There are 5 main sources of electrical power. The order of priority for supplying electrical power to the AC buses is 1. Engine-driven generators, 2. External power, 3. APU generator, 4. Emergency generator, 5. Batteries. The following are the individual generator ratings. A fault on the galley push button appears if any generator's load is above 100%. To ease a load on a generator, the commercial push button will depower. Cabin cargo lighting, water lavatory system, drain mast ice protection, galley, passenger entertainment. If a generator is completely lost, the entire electrical system can be supplied by the other generator. However, consider using the APU generator for redundancy. A loss of an engine-driven generator will result in a downgraded landing capability to Cat 3 single. Thanks for watching this bite-sized tutorial on generators.